Hi there. So I just want to show you a few things about managing this online learning system. And we are actually in a free version of Blackboard, if you've ever used that, called Course Sites. And so what you'll notice is as you get into the course, and yours might look a little bit different than mine since I'm in the instructor, but when you click on third grade fraction modules, you're going to see all of the main content appear in this window. So this is just an introductory discussion. We'll show you that in a bit. And then I've set this up by learning modules, and you'll notice the little symbol here on the left hand, the yellow square with some graphics on it. But the modules here are going to be set up in 2-week intervals. And so for this module, all assignments are due by October 20th. The start date is October 7th, excuse me, but you can see that that was available a little sooner as well. So you'll always have kind of a description here of just a task list of here's what you're going to be engaging in, kind of a snapshot of where you're headed. So if you click on Module 1, you will notice that it says page 1 of 5. So basically here you're engaging in the content, you have kind of a paragraph introducing the content, and then you have a document in which you'll read part of that document as well as watch a video. So this is really where you're engaging in the content, learning some information, reading and watching some videos perhaps. So then I can click the arrow to go to the next page of this module, okay? And here's an assignment that relates to what you just did. So we can continue to page through basically this module, but also at the left-hand side of this window, you'll see a little tab and it'll say Expand Table of Contents. You can expand that and then you will be able to see the different components of Module 1, okay, so that you can click right here as well. And then you can collapse that at any time. So just know that that's available to you as well, okay? So I think that's really easy to manage. You'll see here you can submit your assignment. You can write the submission via text. You can attach a file. If you need to add any additional comments, you can do that. And then just remember to click on Submit. Okay? So let's go back to third grade fraction modules, back to that main page. And let's take a look at the first thing that you're going to be doing. You're going to be engaging in a variety of discussions throughout this course. So for the first activity, you're going to click on Introductory Discussions, Getting Connected. And here you're going to see I've already posted to that forum. So first of all, for you to make your post, you're going to click on Create a Thread. So you're going to start the conversation with a thread. So this is where you might put all about Christy Martin, for example. And then you'll see you have some editing tools here. You'll type in the information, create your post, and then you'll hit submit. Okay? So that's how you actually add a thread or your initial post to the forum. Okay? And then keep in mind that you're going to do some response posts. So you'll see several threads, and then you'll click on, for example, if you wanted to look at mine and read it, you would click on that. Okay, and you can expand and collapse what's below it. So as I expand it, I'm going to go ahead and click on reply. And then you would enter your reply to my post. Okay, so that's the basic idea of how you're going to operate in the forum. So just keep in mind your initial post, you're going to create a thread, and then you can go in and reply to what people have posted. Okay, so I think those are the basics for getting started at that point. It's pretty self-explanatory, and I've also provided really clear instructions, or so I think. Hope this works out well for you, and enjoy the process of learning.